In this video I'll show you how you can fix the GPU crash dump error happening in Oblivion. So I currently do not have Oblivion installed, but let's pretend that this is Elder Scrolls Oblivion. What you're gonna do is right click on it, then go to property, and you're going to enable the stream overlay while in game, because sometimes this causes issues to occur. The next method you could try is to go from general to installed files and then click on browse. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna find the .x file to launch the game. You're gonna right click it, click on properties, and you're gonna click on run this program as an administrator, and you're then gonna click on apply and OK. This will help you bypass some of the issues happening. Now the next step, while you're here, right click on this place and click on copy address. Then you're going to your PC and you're gonna type graphic settings. Then you're gonna click on add desktop app. Then you're going to paste the path that you copied. Press add. Then we're going to click on the .x file. And now if we scroll down, we can see the game, which is going to be Elder Scrolls in your case. Go down, go to GPU preference, and you're gonna click on high performance. This will help you prevent a lot of crashes, since you're obviously playing on the highest performance.